Look at that joint, yo. That's crazy. What the hell is that white stuff? Is that it? Oh, snap. That's it right there. Oh my gosh. That is off the chain. That's off the chain. God is a good God, people. That joint looked like it's coming straight. It was coming straight for us.
This is going to be around the Forestville area, around Sandusky. That's where that debris ball is.
Dude, that is a tornado. And it's big. That's wild, yo. Look at that joint. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I lost my SD card.
Daniel Payne Drive, you are in the path of this, and looks like that's wrapping up. We got a new radar update here.
As long as that joint don't turn, we alright. Yo, people are driving around outside.
You can just kind of move the cursor around and call some of these out. Walk right Chapel area, and we'll kind of stay on this thing for you. Okay.
That's crazy. Look at the rotation. I don't know if you can see it. I cannot believe my camera's not working right now. I'm so mad. I can see the rotation in that joint.
Parkway Christian Academy, Huffman Gardens. This is going to be Magnolia Courts, Cloverdale. Looks like right now, next track is going to be.
It's going that way.
Around Village Creek, Tarrant is
wow.
on the path of this. Debris falling from the sky in Trustville. Okay, debris falling from the sky in Trustville. This is going to be right there around the Tarrant area, and also Trustville within just a few minutes. I'm going to give you a time frame here, and we're going to continue watching this on camera.
Yo, people are driving around right now.
In Trustville, and at the speed it's moving, we're going to
That joint's going fast. Did the power go out? No. Wow, yo. It passed right in front of my window. Yo, that is a tornado. Every day is something new. I don't think so. It's going past. It looks like it's dissipating a little bit.
out there and assesses this. We're going to be looking at EF4, EF5. Fultondale, it is basically about a mile away. Get to your safe place right now. You've got winds probably in excess of 150 miles per hour heading your way, maybe even more than that. Just being conservative, 150. This is a huge, huge storm.
Yes, it is a huge, huge storm.
Actually, it's a little closer to Tarrant. According to that tower cam, this is going to be right on top of the airport. This is going to be right on top of Birmingham Shuttleworth International Airport. What do we have there, Fred?
It looks like another one back there. That joint is humongous.